Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are featuring products from Scrappy Boy Stamps, and we're going to make a masculine shaped card using the football helmet, mini album, and card die set, along with the Cute Kids I Love Sports. I've already picked out my little football player, and we're going to use our sentiment from there as well. First things first, we've cut all of our parts and pieces. I've cut 2 of the outline shape football helmets, which is this die right there. I cut 2 of those. I cut 1 of the solid pieces from red cardstock. I've cut the face mask and some other pieces from just black cardstock. That all these pieces right here, some black and some white, so that we can layer everything up. Before we put that together, we're going to take our back card, which is this one right here, and I'm going to place this in my stamp positioning tool, not stamp positioning tool, but my scoreboard, and I'm going to line it up so that it will sit hopefully flat. So we're just going to take and come right there. And I'm going to score that. Actually, we're going to come down a little bit more. And I'll score it right there. Then I can take and fold that score line back and forward. And take my bone folder and give that a good crease. I'll fold it back as well. That way it should be very movable. I'm going to take some score tape, thin score tape, and I'm going to run across that seam. Well, red line tape, not score tape. I'll run just a little of that across there. Then I'll take my scissors and just trim that right around the shape of that die. I will take my pokey tool. Let me take my bone folder first and I'll give that a good burnish. Then I'll take my pokey tool and I can pull that off. Then I will take and line these up together. And then I can press that into place. That way, that's the base of my shaped card. And it does stand up. It will fit into a A2 envelope. Next, we're going to take our solid layer. I'm going to add liquid glue behind it. And we're going to add that on. And we're just going to center that onto our card front or card base. And then I've got my other little pieces here. And we do have etch lines. Let me pull this up to the camera and show you. There's etch lines on our solid piece, so we know where to add our layers, which is fabulous. So we're going to add a little liquid glue behind this white layer. And that's going to layer that on first. And then I can take and dot on a couple dots of liquid glue there. And I will take my pickup tool. And I'll pick up my little white circles. To me, this is just easier. So I'll pop that on. And then I'll add a little glue to those. And I've got these little tiny black dots that we're going to add in. You can customize this to any of your favorite teams, any of your spouse's favorite teams, or sports fans' favorite teams. Definitely customizable. Same thing as the stamp set. You can totally customize those to any team that you need. That is the great part about that. All right, so there's that circle. Now we've got our face mask which is this right here. So we will take and add liquid glue behind this. So we'll add just some little dot or some glue behind there. We'll take that and we will put that into place. So now we've got our little band for the top of the helmet. Again, this could be totally customizable to fit your team's uniforms. I'm going to take that on that edge right there. So there's that. Now before I add my little character, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. So I'm going to pull in my Misty. I'm going to place that in there. We're going to do a sentiment on the outside and one on the inside. I'm going to add the Your An, and I'm going to add All-Star on the front, and then I'm going to do the birthday sentiment on the inside. So I'm going to line that back up, and I'm going to stamp this using Nocturne ink. All right, we're going to take our All-Star sentiment, and we're going to line that up right under our Your An. So I will stamp this on there. And I'm going to open this up, fold that back, and I'm going to stamp the Happy Birthday Champ on the inside. But I am going to switch to just a regular dye-based ink. There is our little shaped card. I'm going to take my little football player, and you can pop him up. Trying to decide if that's what I want to do. I'm just going to take a couple foam squares, and I'll pop behind him. And I'll pop him right next to our sentiment. I'm going to take my Posca paint marker and we're going to add just a few little highlights to our stamped images and our card front. So we'll just add a couple little highlights right there. I'm going to add some across our card front, some on our face mask, because that would be catching a little bit more light. As well as our little circles. There, we'll do a couple right down there, and one over here. All right, I went and grabbed an envelope for an A2 card. We're going to decorate that. All right, so I pulled in my pattern paper. We're going to take the football pattern right there. We're going to add a little bit to our envelope to decorate that up. So we're just going to take and add a little bit right there. I'm going to take just some tape runner and go around that flap. Get as close as I can. Then I'll take my pattern paper and I'm just going to slide it right up into place right there. Then I'll just take my scissors and I'm just going to go right around the edge. And trim that out. It doesn't take much pattern paper to do this. So we'll trim right around that edge. Over there. That I'll put back in my paper. And we're going to take and stamp our little football player on the front of our envelope as well, so that it coordinates. So we'll take him. I'm going to pop him over in this corner right there. And then I'm just going to take some black ink. And you could take and do this where he, you could do it tone on tone also if you wanted to. So there's our little football player on our envelope to add a little bit more decorations to our envelope. And so that's weird. That never happens before. So I'll just take a little liquid glue, go around. Apparently that didn't dry yet. So I'll line that back up into place. And pop that back down. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen to me. So never fail. So there's our shaped football card for a birthday. You're an all-star. Happy birthday, champ. On the inside with our coordinating envelope. And it will fit in that A2 envelope without a problem. So don't be afraid of that. Here's a closer look at our shaped masculine birthday card. I'll hold that up to the camera for you. There's a look at the inside. There's a look at our envelope. If you need any of the supplies that you have seen today, I have them all linked and listed below in the video description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.